How to add Trustpilot reviews to your Shopify theme without using any paid app or the paid widget that Trustpilot provides. Without using anything, we will build it completely custom using our code. I have created it only for you because someone requested it in comments. So I appreciated that in comments, and everyone will get help from this section. Okay, so you have to what you have to do is, this is a nice section that I have already created and integrated in one of my customer website. So what we have to do is, we have to move to the Shopify admin, and then there we have to open the theme tool. So first thing first, let's head over to the Shopify admin. This is, for example, our Shopify admin, and we have to click on this online store. And then there is a list of all the themes that are listed on our site. So this is the list of all the themes. What we have to do, click on this three dot, and then I would suggest to duplicate a theme, because if you add any incorrect line of code, it might breaks your theme structure. So you have to come over on this theme part and then publish the backup copy. This will save your theme. Okay, so right now let's click on this three dot and then click on this edit code button. Once edit code button is clicked, it will open our theme code editor. Let me close all the files so that you won't get confused. So this is a file. It's loading the theme and code editor. Let me close this one. Scroll to the top. There is an option for the section. We have to add our theme code within this folder. Click on it. It will open a folder. Right click on it and then click on this new file. And we can simply write like Trustpilot.liquid. This prefix should be any name, like you can write any name over here, but the postfix like dot liquid extension is compulsory. It should be same. After adding a name, hit the enter button and it will add a blank file to your Shopify theme. Now, what we have to do is, we have to go to this website. This is my website. I will leave its link within the description. All the method of adding a Trustpilot review widget has been explained in this blog post as well. You can make it quite nice. I have taken a lot of time to write it. Anyways, if you do not want to read it, simply follow me through end of the video. Well, you have to scroll to this part and then copy the code. Go back to the Shopify empty file, and then we have to paste the Trustpilot code over here and then click the save button. Once the file gets saved, we have to click on this Shopify icon and then we have to click on this customize theme button. It will open our Shopify theme customization settings, where we are able to add Trustpilot reviews and add anything related to this widget. Okay, scroll down at uh, this place. I want to add the Trustpilot reviews. Simply click on this add section and then write Trustpilot, this one, the trust point. Once we click on it, it will add the review part over here. Okay, so it's what we have to do is, have to add some more blocks. If you add some more blocks, it will make it horizontal and quite nice. If I click on this plus point, here we are able to add the main title, like that. We can write it like excellent review, and under it we are able to change the language, like between 4.7 to 4.5. Uh, Let me show this. Okay, it's quite nice. And if I scroll down, there is an option for add block. Okay, so click on it and it will open the block customization settings. Here you are able to change the time, the review title, and the review text. If you want to add the review title, like who has added the review, for example, John D, and it will add the review title over here and then its review over here. Uh, if you want to write anything related to the title, you can see any sample Trustpilot review widget, and there is an option for the review title. Simply write it. You can write the product name over here, or your collection name, and post the review over here and write the author name over here. Similarly, we can add it on all these blocks. So this is the full tutorial on how you are able to add a Trustpilot review on the desktop. It is also working on the mobile version. And it's quite nice, and it helps in building customer trust, and it will develop the trust, uh, which will make your customer to make the decision to purchase your product. So if you like my video, please also try to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for that.